Home and away, the chaotic moment a bomb goes off in Summer Bay, Daily Mail. U.S. carrier Galaxy S21 and Note 10 are now receiving the February security patch, Android Police. The next Halo, MCC flight will include a new Halo 3 map and more, Windows Central. How to use Drop-in with your Amazon Echo, Dot or Amazon Show, TechRadar. Facebook's next attempt at hardware may be a smartwatch, Engadget. Apple Loop, iPhone 12 mini's dark future, series streaming surprise, stunning MacBook Pro update, Forbes. The best TV deals for President's Day weekend just went live. And they start at $90, Yahoo Canada Sports. Did you get the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, mobile syrup? Bright Memory, Infinite's latest trailer shows off its villain and new gameplay, WCCF Tech. Stadia changelog, Ember's biggest ever update is here, 2 new games, more 9 to 5